What are you doing, little puppies? How's the little mongoose fan club? How's the little mongoose fan club? Huh? Crossing the middle of the road, crosswalks right there, and you got a kid. That's some genius parenting right there. Fuck you, asshole. Just because I want to fucking go because you're not supposed to fucking direct traffic. I would say my biggest goddamn pet peeve is people that wave me through. I fucking hate that. Everybody thinks they have to be fucking nice or whatever. It's dumb. That guy back there in the parking lot that directed me to go through, he was staring at me the entire time. So what does that mean? Like I've said before, he's not even looking to make sure that the way is clear. What the hell are you doing, dude? It's 55 through here, and you're on the side of the road. Oh, that's a pink hair. Get off your fucking phone, bitch. Jesus Christ. Fucking sitting at the stop sign, still on her cell phone. Both hands on the phone, no hands on the wheel. That is just a supremely intelligent individual right there. Wow. That's a sexy little Ford right there. That is a nice KTM right there. Holy shit. Gorgeous motorcycle. I think it was a KTM, it looked like a Super Duke and a newer style Goldwing. What fucking lane are you in, retard? One in 4 people will either die or be injured by a motor vehicle accident in their lifetime. So if you have something that's killing off or injuring 1/4 of the population, you would think it would be a little bit harder to get a driver's license. I mean, you're driving around a fucking machine that has the capacity to fucking kill someone. But people are so fucking busy texting or fucking playing with their radio. I mean, that lady obviously was not in that truck. Her fucking mind was somewhere else. She's like in 2 fucking lanes. So like, what are you concentrating on that's more important than being alive?